New phones, ambitious pricing. Well, I am talking about the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro that I have with me in this fancy box here, and I will again say the pricing is surely quite ambitious. Let's unbox. Hello everyone, I'm here for Fiber by India today, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the brand new Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. But of course, before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. Okay, so these are the boxes of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. First up, let's take a look at the Pixel 8, and we remove the pull tabs first. Okay, nothing on the back, but first up there's the phone up top in this rose shade, which is a pink sort of a shade, season of the pastel shades. Okay, let's keep it on the side for now. There's a type C to type C cable, and we have a type C to type A dongle right here, and some paperwork which has the SIM ejector pin and of course a safety manual. Okay, so that's about it for the Pixel 8 unboxing. On to the side, and here we are with the Pixel 8 Pro. First up, removing the pull tabs. And wow, this color looks quite stunning. Obsidian matte finish on the Pixel 8 Pro. Let's keep it on the side for now. There's the type C to type C cable, similar stuff. And once again, there's a type C to type A dongle. Again, some paperwork, SIM ejector pin, safety manual, and that's about it. We'll keep it on the side, the boxes. And here we are with the phones. I'll quickly remove the front. Okay, so now I'll set up both these phones and be right back. Okay, so Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are all set up, and now let's talk about these phones. And at first glance, when you look at these phones, they don't look all that different from the outgoing Pixel 7 series. Of course, the shades are new. The rose on the Pixel 8, which is a pink sort of a shade. Pink is the hue in trend right now. However, look closely at the Pixel 8 Pro and the first thing you notice is that the curved display is now flat, and so it feels sharper than its predecessor. And this rear panel on the Pixel 8 Pro is now matte, and it looks quite stunning. It is soft to the touch, and this is probably my favorite matte black shade since the iPhone 7 came out. That also came out in matte black. So quite a good job from Google on the Pixel 8 Pro with the obsidian color. And speaking of the rear panel, the Pixel 8 Pro also has a temperature sensor this time around for, of course, measuring temperatures. Now, how practical this temperature sensor is going to be in the longer run, well, I'll have to test that out, and then I'll get back to you in the full review about the temperature sensor on the Pixel 8 Pro. Moving on, in terms of weight, the Pixel 8 is 10 grams lighter than the Pixel 7, and while it's not a big number, the drop in weight is noticeable. As for the Pixel 8 Pro, the weight is the same as the Pixel 7 Pro, but somehow it felt comfortable to hold, although very slippery because of the matte texture back. Okay, onto the front, and the bezels are slimmer than before. Still not symmetrical, but they do look quite equal from all sides. And these displays on the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are currently the brightest that you can get on any Android phone right now. So the Pixel 8 comes in at 2000 nits peak brightness, which is matching the iPhone 15 series and easily trumping the Galaxy S23 series, while this one is the current king of a smartphone display brightness with 2400 nits peak brightness. So that's a good job here. However, in the sun, when I saw both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Pixel 8 Pro side by side, the iPhone did seem slightly brighter to my eyes, although both are absolutely bright panels, so no complaints at all. Okay, Pixel 8 gets a 6.2 inches 120Hz OLED screen up from 90Hz. The Pixel 8 Pro also has a 120Hz screen, of course, a larger 6.7-inch OLED panel, but with a 1 to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. So hoping that the LTPO display brings some efficiency boost to the Pixel 8 Pro battery life here. And speaking of efficiency, minor bumps to the battery, 45-75 mAh on the Pixel 8 and a 50-50 mAh on the 8 Pro. Wired charging is capped at 27 watt and 30 watt on the 8 and 8 Pro respectively. And another hot upgrade, no pun intended, on the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro is the Tensor G3 chip under the hood. So of course we'll be putting both these phones through their paces and we'll be testing them in depth through and through, and then maybe I'll get back to you and let you know whether the Tensor G3 chip has given improvements in terms of heat management, or whether it's the same old story like the old chips that used to heat. So I'll get back to you on this in the full review. For now, here are some benchmark scores, Antutu and Geekbench, on your screens of both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. You can pause, you can go back and of course take a look. So as you just saw the benchmark scores are not up to the flagship level. And in that case, as I earlier said, that we'll be testing these phones through and through. So if you are planning to purchase the Pixel 8 or the Pixel 8 Pro, then I suggest holding on to your purchase for now. Okay, in terms of camera, the Pixel 8 gets a brand new 50 megapixel f1.7 primary camera along with a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, which seems to be the same as the last year's model, although the field of view is more wide this time around. The Pixel 8 Pro also gets a new 50 megapixel primary rear camera with a 5x 48 megapixel telephoto camera and a new 48 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. At the front, both phones have a 10.5 megapixel selfie snapper. Now here are some of the photos that I managed to click from both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, and without passing any final judgment, I will say that the Pixel 8 phones take absolutely stunning results, but hey, these are the pixels we are talking about. Of course, more talk on the photos and videos in the full review, and one last thing before I wrap this video up. So Google is promising a total of 7 years of updates with the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, and note when I say that, 7 years of upgrades, not 7 years of Android upgrades or anything like that. So this can probably be 7 years of OS upgrades, or this could be like 4 years plus 7 years of security patch updates. I would say wait for Google to give the final word, but until then nothing is clear on what exactly does the 7 years of updates mean. But yes guys, that was your first look, a closer look at the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Of course, both of these phones are already up for pre-orders on Flipkart. You can go and check them out. The Pixel 8 is priced at 75,999 rupees and 82,999 rupees for the 128GB and 256GB storage variants respectively, with 8GB RAM standard. The Pixel 8 Pro is available in a single 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage option priced at 1,06,999 rupees. Now prices are insanely high considering Pixel flagships don't sell all that well in India, and if you are pre-ordering one, go ahead, no problem. However, if you can hold on to your purchase of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro for now, then I would suggest that the full review videos of both these phones are coming very soon on the channel, so stay tuned for that. But yes guys, those were my thoughts on the new Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. What do you think about these smartphones? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.